Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
You guys, I have to show you these jeans. I love them. They are by Guile. Buying jeans can be very difficult, especially when you're ordering them online. It's a little tricky, but these ones fit me so well. One thing I love is the length. I'm 5'5", and usually jeans are a little short on me, but as you can see, these were the perfect length for me. They're straight leg, but because of that split hem, which I also love, it adds interest, they kind of have a little bit of a flare bell bottom look to them. I love the light color of these, but they have other options. I felt like these fit very true to size. I'm a size 12, and these fit me, like I said, perfectly. They have a stretch to them, but I felt like these really held their shape even though I would wear them several days in a row. They did not start falling off of me. They stayed up, which is impressive. A lot of jeans don't. I also love the high waist on these because I have a mom pooch and it definitely helps hide that. So if you are needing a new pair of jeans, these ones are top of my list.
But that's just my point of view.